guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to marketing with Instagram. So in today's class, we are going to talk about linking your Instagram account with a Facebook business account, and basically talk about why is it that important. So you'll see it's pretty important. There are various reasons that will allow you to will push you to link those two accounts together. Once again, this is not a Facebook course, so we're not gonna talk too much about Facebook, but since right now Facebook and Instagram comes together, it's important to understand why linking your Instagram account with Facebook is pretty important. So we're going to take a look at my Instagram account for business, and you'll see it's pretty cool. And basically when you link those two platforms together, there are plenty of advantages that come with it. So pretty simple. All right, so basically the first thing that we need to understand is when you are linking up your Facebook and your Instagram account together, what will happen is that it will be a really good thing for posts and story promotion. So what I mean by that is that in some regions, you'll need to have a Facebook page in order to advertise from Instagram. So once again, I don't know exactly all the regions where it's like that, but sometimes, in some regions of the world, you need to have a Facebook account to be able to basically have an Instagram account, if I'm not mistaken. So based on what Instagram says. So that's pretty much the first thing. So this is why it's very important to have a Facebook account or a Facebook page in order to have a business account on Instagram. Second thing, it's having access to shopping with Instagram. So basically this is something that we talked about in the past class. So basically we saw, when I'm talking about shopping on Instagram, I'm talking about two principal features. So first feature is basically what we saw in the pictures where we can shop. So basically you click on the picture and you have access to a certain product. So we saw this in the past class. And the second thing is basically having an Instagram store. So basically people are able to enter to your Instagram page, click on shop, and they will have your Instagram store when you have all your products right there. Which is another pretty interesting thing that you guys can use in order to basically have a shop directly on Instagram or sell your products directly on Instagram. So basically what exactly this is. So in addition to meeting business requirements, you will need to have a linked Facebook page to set up shopping on Instagram. So based on what Instagram said, you need to have a Facebook account, so basically a Facebook business account, to be able to post your products directly on Instagram, which is, not posting them on Instagram, but if you want to sell them on Instagram, you will need to have a Facebook page. This is why it's pretty important to link your two accounts together. Well, basically your business page and your Instagram business account. Third thing is running Facebook and Instagram ads from your page. So what exactly does this mean? It means that from your page, you can create ads that will appear on Facebook and Instagram. So as I said, since those two platforms work pretty much together, so they come together. They're right now the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but basically they're separate platforms, but they are together. So basically what's happening is that when you create an ad on Facebook or Instagram, this ad will be promoted on two platforms. So basically you can decide the type of ad where you want to promote it, but usually it gets promoted on two platforms, which is pretty cool because you will have access to way more consumers or way more people who are interested by your ad. So this is why basically you need to be able to run ads. You will need to have a business page or a business account on Facebook. Also, the ad manager or the business manager on Facebook will allow you all the payments, so basically to pay for your ads. If I'm not mistaken, you can directly pay from there for your Instagram as well as your Facebook ads. Next thing, it will allow you to post efficiently. So what exactly does this mean? So when your page and professional account are linked, you can share posts on both platforms. So if you choose to advertise from your Facebook page, you can also reach more people with your ads because your ads can also run on Instagram. So this is exactly what I said. This means that you will have, by posting an ad on one platform, it's gonna appear on the other platform. which is pretty cool in my opinion, because once again, you will have access to way more people that will see your ads, that will be able to see your content. And this way you will be able to see who exactly is interested by your content and find out who exactly can be your perfect consumer and will be interested by your product. So this is why it's pretty interesting to have a Facebook page linked with your Instagram account. Next thing, it will be to gain access to different cross-app tools. So when I'm talking about cross-app tools, I mean another thing that we saw in the past class. So basically, by linking your Facebook and Instagram, you'll gain access to tools such as appointment booking button, donation sticker, and camera effects. So basically, you will have access to some features that are pretty interesting. So the first one is a tool that we talked about in the past class as well, is the booking or the appointment tool that you will have directly access from your Instagram. So basically, if you are interested, if you have a, service business and that you want to set up appointments with your consumers, or simply people who want to talk to you, basically you want to set up appointments with them, you can do it directly from your Facebook page. People will pay and they will have access to appointments directly with you, which is pretty interesting. You can have also access to different other features simply by linking up a Facebook page with your account, which is pretty cool. So what we're going to do right now is pretty simple. We're going to check out what it looks like, what a Facebook page looks like, and we're going to basically work with this page. So basically this is the page that I created, way back before, and right now I use it as a demo page. So basically this is the same account as the Instagram account that we have worked with, and it's pretty cool because basically everything that I have posted on this account is also on my Instagram account. So if you want to check out the pictures, they're all right here. So basically there are plenty of things that are on this page. So once again, this is one product, this is another product, so I can automatically buy it from here. I can automatically, if I want to boost my store, boost my promotions, I can boost them on Facebook, you can boost them on Instagram as well, which is pretty interesting. So this is what a professional page looks like. So to create a page, it's pretty simple. You simply go on Facebook and you create your page. If I'm not mistaken, I have plenty of those pages. So as you can see, I have plenty of other pages right here. So pretty simple. You simply go on Facebook and you can create your own Facebook page, which is pretty simple to do. So right now what we're going to talk about is pretty simple. So we're going to check out the Instagram account. So here it is right there. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same picture that we have. The picture right here, if we click on it, it's also pretty much the same thing. As you can see, I can automatically buy it from here. So it's possible to save. It's also possible to buy. So if we check out the Instagram account, what I want to do right now is pretty simple. I simply want to show you where exactly you guys need to go to be able to have access to, basically link up your two accounts together. So pretty simple. You simply go on your Instagram and then you will go on your settings. So it's going to be down there. You will have account center, and what you can do is simply click on your account center. So here, as you can see, I have my personal account and I have my business account as well. So basically this page is this is my Instagram page. Basically it's linked with my personal account, and what I can do is basically link my two accounts together. So I'm able to link my Facebook account and my Facebook page together. And also when I have to basically create, let's say for example I want to create a Facebook page, it will ask me if I want to link up my Instagram account with it, and vice versa. If I create an Instagram business account and I want to have a shop, I will be required to have a shop directly on Facebook to basically be able to sell my products directly on Instagram, because I will need to set up my prices at first. So here, for example, I have my prices for this product, and it's pretty much the same product that is on Instagram with pretty much the same price. So the price is changed directly on Facebook and will appear on Instagram. So it's pretty much how it works. for Facebook pages. And this is what a Facebook page, this is what a Facebook professional page pretty much looks like. You have some things right here. You can run ads. It works pretty much the same way as Instagram, but once again, I don't want to talk too much about the Facebook platform since it's really an Instagram course, but it works pretty much the same way. You have your inbox right here where you can answer your consumers. You have your shop that you will create from A to Z. Basically, you import products, and those products go directly to your Instagram once you start uploading them to Instagram, and this will allow you also to sell your products directly on Instagram, which is pretty cool. So I hope you guys right now have a little idea of how all this works. So as I said, in order to be able to have a business account where you sell your products, basically where you click on a product and you have access to that product, you have to have an Instagram page, basically. And once you have that Instagram page, you will be able to sell your products. Well, you need to have a store on your Instagram page, and then you will be able to sell all those products directly on your Instagram. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.